Hi, good morning. So I am back with a new story which is called I Am Little Fish. And this book is a finger puppet book. Hi from the little fish. So let me start reading the story. Hello, I am little fish, swimming in the sea. I love to splash and splish. Come, play with me. I wiggle my tail to move fast and slow. I blow pretty bubbles up high and down low. I can shimmy and twirl and swim round in a whirl. Did you see the fishes? My friends are here too. Red, yellow, and blue. We dip down and dive and play peekaboo. But Mom's the one I love the best, even more than all the rest. Hello, Mom. Little fish, kiss, kiss, kiss. Goodbye from Little Fish. Thank you for listening to this story of Hi, I Am Little Fish. I hope you like this story. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.